Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how to create a YouTube thumbnail using Canva for free. So let's get started. So first of all, open Chrome browser, select your profile. After selecting your profile, you have to go to this URL box and search canva.com, or you can search on Google. After opening the Canva website, it's loading. Okay, so after opening the website, you have to register with the free account. You can use your Gmail account to log in on the Canva website. Now go to here. As you can see, this option here, create design option, click on here. Now another window will open, it taking a little time. Okay, so after logging in the Canva, you have to click on create a new design. Then you have to wait for some time. Okay, so on the home page you have to search YouTube thumbnail, or you can go to here YouTube thumbnail option. As you can see here, click on it. Now the best thing about Canva is it offers you thousands of templates for your thumbnail purpose. For example, I want to make a gaming thumbnail, so I will search gaming, and as you can see this gaming thumbnail, I click on it. Now it will suggest you hundreds suggestions according to your, choose according to your need. For example, I want to create for this template. Okay, so top 10 gaming moments. So I can change text according to me. For example, I want to just make top 5, so I will click on this 10, and as you can see here, I can also change the text color by selecting all the text and go to here. As you can, this A option, and change into red. Okay, as you can see here, my template is ready. Now go to share option and click on download, and your thumbnail will be downloaded. And that's it guys. Now you know how to create a YouTube thumbnail for free using Canva. I hope you like the video, so don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.